What's going on, guys? So I've got some exciting stuff coming up. Yesterday I was invited out to Loveland Pass to film some videos with Johnathan Buckhouse. Thank you very much for inviting me, having me come along for the ride. Got to fulfill some childhood dreams of mine. We got to shoot some paintball guns and snowboard at the same time, which has always been something I've dreamt of doing since I was a little kid. So I went out there, did some filming, made a quick beat for the video, and just a quick recap, a little bit of behind the scenes footage. I don't have all the drone footage or all the shots. I want that to be his thing, but I wanted to make a little quick edit of kind of what's going on. So I'll link the music in the description, Instagram account and whatnot. If you like it, please feel free to hit that like button or subscribe button. I got a ton of exciting content. I'm going to get out, do some riding this morning, and dip off to Moab for a few days, come back for a few days, get some more riding in, and then skip to Mammoth with Buckhouse, and we're going to get some sick shots. It's going to be off the chain. Probably some of the best spring skiing I've done in ages. All right, guys, later. Alright guys, once again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy those quick little behind the scenes clips. Check out Johnathan's video on his page. It's going to be awesome. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Later.